Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Co. Today we've just done another Halo Mini on a 2021 Mercedes GLE diesel. How the system works, as soon as I actually open the door, if you watch in the corner, there you go, two flashes of the side light, system is now armed. So if I just try and start it, I'll be able to start it. The vehicle will start, but as soon as I try and put it into gear, you'll see that it'll keep on going back into park. See, it keeps on going back into park, okay? So we have to pass a thing called authorization. The way we do that is we insert the code on here. We've done something very basic. So once we put the code in, you'll get a side light flash to say you passed authorization and you'll be able to drive the vehicle away. So tap, 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 tap. There's our flash. Put it into gear. And we're able to drive away. Okay? It's really simple and straightforward to use. As soon as you open the door, you'll see the system will arm. There you go, system is now armed. If I then try and start it again, the vehicle just will start, but it just won't allow me to put it into gear. Keeps on going back into park, if you see. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to put it in a thing called valet mode, just to show you when you take it for a service or a car wash. The way you do that is tap the start button twice, so you get accessory and then main ignition. Obviously it's gone straight to main ignition because we didn't open the door, but if the door was open and closed, you'd have to tap it twice. Okay, so we're going to insert the code, but this time on the last press, we're going to hold it. So tap, 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 hold. We've got our flash to say it's disarmed. If you keep watching for about 15 seconds, you'll see we'll get a 5 flash handshake, and then it will enter a thing called valet mode. So if you keep watching shortly, there you go. 5 flashes now gone into valet mode. Okay, so if I turn off the start button, open the door, it just won't arm. Okay, so watch carefully. I'm going to start it. It's going to start. I'm going to be able to put it into gear and drive it away. Okay, now this will stay in valet mode until you take it out. It's not speed or distance dependent. So when you get the vehicle back, make sure obviously the car is not running. So let's just open and close the door, tap the start button once for accessory, tap again for main ignition, insert the code and hold on the last press. So tap, 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 hold. We've got no flash at the moment because obviously it's covert and it's in valet mode, but we're going to get a flash to say it's coming out. Keep watching. Keep watching. There you go. It's now come out of valet mode. Turn the start button off. Open the door. System will be armed. Okay. What we're going to do now is we're actually going to change the code. And the way you would do that is again, tap accessory once. Again to main ignition. Insert the code to disarm the system first. So tap, 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 tap. There's our flash. Now we're disarmed. We're going to tap the accelerator to the floor 10 times. And we're going to get a visual flash to tell it it's going into learn mode. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Watch. We're in learn mode, but we're going to change it now. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1 and turn the start button off within 5 seconds. We've got one flash and it's now learn. Okay, let's just open and close the door so we get it armed. Start the vehicle. Vehicle starts, insert the old code. No flash. Okay, turn the start button on, off should I say, turn it back on, and this time we'll try the new code. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 1. There's our flash. We're able to select a gear and drive away. As I said, this is the Halo Mini. My name's Otto. It's been fitted to a Mercedes 2021 GLE. Number to me is 0289060478. 0289060478. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.